Hey everyone, Alec Gagne over at Intercoastal Mortgage and the Ross Group. Hope you guys are doing great. Here is your weekly rate sheet video coming at you on behalf of rross and Chris Kearney, my two amazing business partners. Happy Memorial Day weekend. I hope everyone's out there enjoying some time, a little bit of R&R, but this weekend's just not about the barbecues and cornhole and beer. It is about all of the men and women that paid the ultimate sacrifice for us in our country, and we are absolutely grateful for that. Today we had an amazing bridge loan webinar. If you tuned in, thank you so much. If you would like a copy of that webinar, definitely shoot us an email. It is our silver bullet of a product. We do them all the time. It will help you get more deals, and it will strengthen offers, whether you're a listing agent or a buyer's agent. So feel free to give us a call anytime or request that webinar, and it is just our silver bullet. It's amazing. On another note, our VA loan pricing is super strong. We just sharpened those up again as a company, and we're closing those very quickly, and helping clients actually beat conventional offers with the way that we're structuring things, calling the listing agents, and helping our VA loans get into that home. A quick success story, and I've been talking about this a little bit, is our new soft underwrite program and procedure here at Intercoastal, where we're essentially getting the client fully clear to close subject to finding a property address. I had a client that was up against 10 different offers in the Reston area around a $500,000 sales price, which is a super competitive kind of buyer pool. And I called the listing agent, which we do for all of our clients, and showed them not only a pre-approval letter, but a conditional commitment letter. So it's pretty much as good as cash. So what's better than a pre-approval letter? A commitment letter that is subject to a property address and an appraisal. So that was a way that we were able to get that client into the home. And we are here to get as creative and strengthen your offers and help your clients in any way, shape, or form. So give us a call. You know how to reach us. 703-899-0086 is my number. You'll see all of our information on this weekly rate sheet. But we're always here working together to serve you better. Everyone enjoy your weekend, and we appreciate your support more than you know. Thanks so much.